Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Slow English Conversations, where learning English is simple, friendly, and enjoyable. My name is Alex.
Hello, Alex. Hello, everyone. It's really nice to be here with you today.
Hi, Sarah. How are you doing today?
I'm doing very well, thank you. And you, Alex? You look very relaxed and happy today.
I feel great. I'm especially happy because today's topic is one that many learners ask about.
Oh, yes, that's true. It's a very important topic. Simple, but very powerful.
Exactly. But before we begin, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and please click the like button and share this video with your friends or family who are learning English. It really helps us grow.
It truly does. All right, Sarah, are you ready?
I'm ready. So, Alex, what are we talking about today?
Today, we're talking about a very common question in English. It's a question that almost everyone hears at some point in their life. The question is, tell me about yourself.
Ah, yes, that question. People ask this question all the time, don't they?
They really do. You hear it in many different situations.
You hear it on the first day of a new English class when the teacher wants everyone to introduce themselves.
You also hear it when you start a new job and your coworkers want to get to know you.
You hear it during interviews when someone wants to learn more about you in a short amount of time.
And you hear it when you meet someone for the very first time, maybe at a party, a meeting, or a social event.
It's such a simple question, but for many English learners, it can feel very big.
Yes, even though the words are easy, many people feel nervous when they hear this question.
They start thinking too much. They think, where should I begin? What is the right answer?
Some people wonder, how much should I talk? Is my answer too short? Is it too long?
And others worry about making mistakes. They worry about their grammar, their pronunciation, or forgetting words.
All of these feelings are very normal.
Yes, completely normal. And that's why today's conversation is so important.
Today, we're going to make this question feel easy, natural, and comfortable.
We're going to show you that you don't need perfect English.
You don't need long or complicated sentences.
You just need a few simple ideas.
And we'll break everything into small, clear parts.
Step by step.
So you can relax, listen carefully, and feel more confident the next time someone asks you,
Tell me about yourself. I'm ready. So, Alex, who should start? Should it be you or should it be me?
how about you start, Sarah? No pressure. Just take your time.
Okay, my turn. Tell me about myself.
Yes, just imagine we're meeting for the very first time.
All right. But to be honest, this question always makes me stop and think.
That's very normal. A lot of people feel the same way.
I start asking myself questions like, where should I begin? What should I say first?
Exactly. And that's why it helps to start with something very easy.
Something simple, something everyone knows.
Yes, let's start with the easiest thing of all.
Okay,
Your name.
my name?
Yes, your name is always a perfect place to start.
That makes sense. Everyone has a name.
And saying your name helps you feel more relaxed.
I like that. It feels simple and safe.
Exactly. Once you say your name, the conversation starts to flow naturally.
All right then, I'm ready. I'll start with my name.
Take your time.
My name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, Alex.
And for our listeners, this is always the first step when someone says, "Tell me about yourself."
Yes, your name comes first.
You don't need to rush. You can say it slowly and clearly.
My name is Sarah. S-A-R-A-H.
Spelling your name is very helpful, especially when you meet someone for the first time.
Yes, it helps the other person understand you better.
And it also gives you time to relax.
That's true. When I say my name, I feel more comfortable.
You don't need long sentences here.
No, a short sentence is perfect.
For example, my name is Alex.
Or, I'm Sarah.
Both are correct. Both are natural.
So remember, when you start talking about yourself, begin with your name.
It's simple, clear, and confident. After your name, people often ask another very common question. They ask, where are you from?
That's right. It's one of the most natural questions in a conversation.
And the answer can be very simple.
Yes. For example, I can say, I'm from England.
England. That's wonderful.
Thank you. It's a beautiful country.
I'm from the United States.
Very nice. The United States is very big.
Yes, it is. And when you say where you're from, people often ask another question.
They want to know more.
Exactly. They might ask, do you live in a big city or a small town?
That's a very common follow-up question. For me, the answer is easy. No, I don't live in a big city. I live in a small town.
A small town. That sounds calm.
It is. I like it because it's quiet and peaceful.
I can imagine that. There's probably less noise.
Yes, and people often know each other.
That's nice. For me, it's very different.
Oh, tell me more.
I live in a big city.
What is it like?
It's busy most of the time. There are many people, many cars, and many sounds.
That sounds very lively.
Yes, it can be noisy, but I enjoy the energy.
So you can see when you talk about where you're from, you can also share a little feeling.
A few simple words are enough.
Quiet and peaceful.
Busy and energetic.
Both are good answers.
And both help people understand you better.
Another good question people often ask is about where you live.
Yes, after they know where you're from, they usually want to know where you live now.
Exactly. For example, they might ask, do you live in a house or an apartment?
That's a very common question.
So, Sarah, let me ask you, do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment.
An apartment. Is it big?
No, it's not big. It's small.
That's okay. Small places can be very nice.
Yes, it's small but very comfortable and cozy.
Comfortable and cozy. Those are great words.
Thank you. I feel relaxed there.
That's important. Your home should feel relaxing.
I agree. It's my quiet place after a long day.
That sounds lovely. For me, it's a little different.
Oh? Tell me about your place.
I live in a small house.
A small house. That sounds nice.
Yes, it's not very big, but it's just right for me.
Does it have a garden?
Yes, it does.
Oh, that's wonderful.
I love spending time there.
What do you do in the garden?
Sometimes I sit and relax, sometimes I read, and sometimes I just enjoy the fresh air.
That sounds very peaceful.
It is. The garden helps me feel calm.
So when you talk about where you live, you can share small details like this.
Yes, house or apartment, big or small, and how it makes you feel.
You don't need many words.
Just simple, honest sentences.
And that's enough to answer the question.
Sometimes people ask about age.
But remember, this is optional.
Yes, you only answer if you feel comfortable.
I'm 32 years old.
I'm 27 years old.
That's enough information.
Now let's talk about another very common topic, work or study.
Yes, people often ask this question when they want to know more about you.
They might ask, what do you do?
So, Sarah, let me ask you first. But actually, no. I'll go first this time.
All right.
You can ask me.
Okay then. Alex, what do you do?
I'm an English teacher.
Of course. You teach English here on Slow English Conversations channel.
Yes, exactly. I help people learn English.
And you're very good at it.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I really do. I really love my job.
That's wonderful.
Teaching English makes me feel happy. I enjoy helping people feel more confident.
That's very nice. What about you, Sarah? What do you do? I'm a student.
A student. What do you study?
I study architecture.
Architecture. That sounds very creative.
Yes, I enjoy drawing very much.
Do you draw every day?
Not every day, but I try to practice often.
That's good.
When I draw or paint, I feel calm.
That's a great feeling.
And it also makes me feel inspired.
So, when you talk about work or study, you can also share how it makes you feel.
Yes, you don't need long explanations.
Just simple sentences.
What you do and how you feel about it.
That's a perfect answer. Family is another great topic to talk about.
Yes, people often ask about family because it feels personal and friendly.
It helps us understand each other better.
Exactly.
So let me ask you, Sarah, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do. I have 2 brothers.
Just 2, brother?
Yes, just 2. His name is John.
John. That's a nice name.
Thank you. He's very kind.
Is he older or younger than you?
He's older than me.
How old is he?
He's 29 years old.
I see. So he's a little older.
Yes, I often ask him for advice.
That's nice to hear.
What about you, Alex? Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do. I have one sister.
What's her name?
Her name is Sarah.
Oh, that's funny.
Yes, it is. We have the same name.
That must be confusing sometimes.
Sometimes, yes, but we're used to it.
Is she older or younger than you?
She's younger than me.
And what does she do?
She's a student too.
Oh, really?
Yes, she studies and works very hard.
That's great.
So when you talk about family, you can keep it simple.
You can say how many brothers or sisters you have,
Their names.
and whether they're older or younger.
That's more than enough.
You can also talk about your parents.
My mother is an accountant.
That's a very important job.
My father is a doctor.
That's great. My mother is also an accountant.
And your father?
My father is a chef. He works in a restaurant.
Does he cook for you at home?
Yes, the food is always delicious.
Many people love talking about pets. Do you have one?
Yes, I do. I have a dog.
A dog. What's her name?
Her name is Molly.
That's a beautiful name. What is she like?
She's black and white, very quiet, and very sleepy.
That sounds like a dog. I have a cat named Kitty.
What is she like?
She's friendly, playful, and funny.
Now, let's talk about favorite things.
This is the fun part.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken.
Great choice. My favorite food is sandwich.
What's your favorite color?
Green, like nature.
Mine is blue, like the sky.
What do you do in your free time?
I enjoy listening to music and playing football with my friends.
That sounds fun. I like drawing and reading books.
What kind of books?
I enjoy romance stories.
You can also talk about things you don't like.
Yes. For example, I don't like very spicy food.
And I don't like olives.
That's okay. Everyone is different. Remember, this question is not scary.
It's an invitation.
An invitation to share a little about yourself.
And every time you practice, you become more confident.
Now it's your turn. Go to the comments and tell us about yourself.
1 or 2 sentences is perfect.
We would love to read your answers.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Keep practicing, keep smiling.
We'll see you next time. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.